is known as the father of economics? Correct answer, Ye Adam Smith. Next question. Which body calculates the national income in India? Correct answer, C. National Statistical Office. Next question. When was the Reserve Bank of India nationalized? Correct answer, C. 1949. Next question. The Green Revolution in India was first introduced in which crop? Correct answer, B. Wheat. Next question. Which 5-year plan was based on the Mahalanobis model? Correct answer, B. Second. Next question. What type of unemployment is mostly found in Indian agriculture? Correct answer, C. Disguised. Next question. Who acts as the ex officio chairman of Niti Aayog? Correct answer, B. Prime Minister. Next question. In India, GST was implemented on which date? Correct answer, C. 1st July 2017. Next question. Which sector contributes the highest to India's GDP? Correct answer, C. Tertiary. Next question. Stagflation is a situation characterized by? Correct answer, Ye high inflation and low growth. Next question. The head office of the Reserve Bank of India is located in? Correct answer, C. Mumbai. Next question. Which organization regulates the stock market in India? Correct answer, B. SEBI. Next question. The 1 rupee note in India bears the signature of whom? Correct answer, C. Finance Secretary. Next question. Under which article of the Constitution is the Finance Commission appointed? Correct answer, B. Article 280. Next question. What is the base year for calculating the Consumer Price Index in India? Correct answer, B. 2011 to 12. Next question. The slogan, Garibi Hatao, was given in which 5-year plan? Correct answer, C. 5th. Next question. Deficit financing means that the government borrows money from the? Correct answer, B. RBI. Next question. Which bank is primarily responsible for institutional credit in rural and agricultural sectors? Correct answer, C. NABARD. Next question. What is the main objective of the first 5-year plan? Correct answer, B. Development of agriculture. Next question. When there is an increase in the repo rate, what happens to the money supply? Correct answer, B. Decreases. Next question. Which curve shows the relationship between tax rates and tax revenue? Correct answer, B. Laffer curve. Next question. Economic planning is included in which list of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, C. Concurrent list. Next question. Imperial Bank of India was renamed as which bank in 1955? Correct answer, B. State Bank of India. Next question. The term bull and bear is associated with? Correct answer, C. Stock market. Next question. What type of economy does India have? Correct answer, C. Mixed economy. Next question. Which index is used by the RBI to measure retail inflation? Correct answer, B. CPI. Next question. How many commercial banks were nationalized in India in 1969? Correct answer, C. 14. Next question. The Lorentz curve measures which of the following? Correct answer, C. Income inequality. Next question. Which organization releases the Human Development Report globally? Correct answer, C. UNDP. Next question. In India, coins are minted by which authority? Correct answer, B. Government of India. Next question. What is the term used for the profit a central bank shares with the government? Correct answer, B. Seigniorage. Next question. Which committee recommended the introduction of GST in India? Correct answer, Ye Kelkar Task Force. Next question. What is devaluation of a currency? Correct answer, Ye reducing the value of home currency in terms of foreign currency. Next question. Headquarter of World Trade Organization is located at? Correct answer, C. Geneva. Next question. The rate at which the RBI lends money to commercial banks without collateral is? Correct answer, Ye repo rate. Next question. Which plan is also known as the Gadgil Yojana? Correct answer, B. Third five-year plan. Next question. Frictional unemployment refers to? Correct answer, B. Time period when a person is searching for a new job. Next question. The concept of five-year plans in India was borrowed from? Correct answer, B. USSR. Next question. Who wrote the book Planned Economy for India in 1934? Correct answer, Ye M. Visvesvaraya. Next question. What is the primary objective of monetary policy in India? Correct answer, B. Maintaining price stability alongside growth. Next question. The difference between total revenue and total expenditure of the government is called? Correct answer, B. Fiscal deficit. Next question. Which organization calculates the Global Ease of Doing Business Index? Correct answer, B. World Bank. Next question. Who was the first Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission of India? Correct answer, B. Gulzarilal Nanda. Next question. What does M1 represent in the Indian monetary system? Correct answer, B. Narrow money. Next question. The rolling plan concept was introduced in India by which government? Correct answer, B. Janta government. Next question. Which regulatory body manages insurance businesses in India? Correct answer, C. IRDAI. Next question. An increase in the general price level caused by higher production costs is called? Correct answer, B. Cost-push inflation. Next question. Who gave the drain theory of wealth exploitation from India? Correct answer, B. Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question. The terms microeconomics and macroeconomics were coined by? Correct answer, Ye Ragnar Frisch. Next question. In which year was the Niti Aayog established? Correct answer, B. 2015.